Why do you say that you kissed the ground on which I walked? You should kill me, rather. I'm exhausted. If only I could rest. Rest. I am a seagull. It's not right. I am an actress. Yes. And he's here. Well, no matter. He didn't believe in the theater. He went on mocking my dreams, and little by little, I too stopped believing and lost heart. And then came all the cares of love and the constant fear for my little one. I became petty, spiritless. I acted mindlessly. I never knew what to do with my hands. I didn't know how to stand on the stage. Wasn't in control of my voice. You can't understand what it's like to feel you're acting terribly. I am a seagull. No, that's not right. You shot a seagull once, don't you remember? A man chanced to pass that way and destroyed it out of idleness. Plot for a short story. Oh, that's not right. What was I? Yes, the stage. I have changed now. Now I am a real actress. I act with enjoyment, with ecstasy. I get intoxicated on the stage and feel that I'm beautiful. And now, while I've been staying here, I've walked everywhere. I walk and think and feel the strength of my spirit growing in me every day. Kostya, I know now. I understand. In what we do, whether we act on the stage or write, the most important thing is not the fame or glory or anything I used to dream about, but the ability to endure. One must know how to bear one's cross, and one must have faith. I believe, and so do not suffer so much, and when I think of my calling, I do not fear life.